April 22, 2025, a black day in India. Armed terrorists opened fire on tourists in Pahalgam, killing 26 innocent civilians. The Resistance Front, a Pakistan-backed group, claimed responsibility, triggering national outrage. India vowed a response, swift, surgical and strong. What followed was, on May 7, India struck with precision. 9 major terror launch pads in Pakistan-administered Kashmir and Punjab were flattened. Over 100 terrorists, including Jaish-e-Mohammed commander Rauf Azhar, were eliminated. Pakistan hit back, launching and over-targeting Indian military installations. But India's all 3 missiles were by systems like Akash, Spider and S-400. In retaliation of strikes, key radar and air defense sites satellite imagery confirmed suffered, grounding their aerial response for days. While Pakistan peddled propaganda and denied casualties, the global community backed India's right to self-defense. Despite intense escalation, India avoided civilian zones, showcasing military precision and moral restraint. India's message was clear: no room for provocation. From 2, India's military showed unmatched preparedness and resilience. Share this to salute our armed forces, subscribe for more.